Okay, so you're going to take your dominant hand. Here you go. This is the very best mobilization for the ankle, I think, is this way. Um, Distal to the malleoli, and with your dominant hand, leg off the table, let me have it. And then I come in with my non-dominant hand to brace here, put it between my legs, and first of all I do is distract. Drop your butt back and distract. Now, twist your butt to supinate and pronate while you distract. Supination, pronation, distraction. Go all the way down the foot to the metatarsals. Cuboid on the outside, navicular on the inside, all the way down through the metatarsals. Okay, look at my hands up here. My hands are coming under the feet like this with my fingertips in an arch. Can you see this? Okay, so then I'm going to grasp over like this. So when I go down again into there, I'm pulling the foot in, I'm creating an arch. See, when I'm dropping her foot into plantar flexion, I'm resisting with my fingers underneath to create an arch. That pushes the cuboid up and the navicular and the medial, all the cuneiforms. Okay, so do that. Just drop down, use your fingers as levers to work all those bones. It feels good, doesn't it?